Dasha and today I'm going to be singing Up on the Bridge from Dear Edwina.